rock around the time. Let the good times roll. Come on, come on, come on. Come on now. Are you tired? Are you tired yet? Come on. Hit it. Come on now. Come on. It takes two. It takes two. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Monster in the house. Come on. But I'm known to rock the microphone. I get stupid, lean out dangerous. Stay away from me, it's contagious. Come on, I lose at the BNMC. It's what I choose, all ladies love me. Girls love me. I mean, even the ones who never saw me like the way they rock my soul. The reason why I don't know. Come on, John. Little John. Come on, y'all. Come on, it's the microphone. Make some noise, y'all! Make some noise! Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up! The boy UDG, easy on the cut. The that's the deal, we bust it out. Now make them be on the side. Yeah, real hip hop is over there, y'all. It's over there, y'all. Come on, son. Come on. Come on. Yo, check this. Bring the lights up. Bring the lights up. The lights. Listen, this is what real hip hop is all about. Yes, this is what you should be enjoying. All right? It's nice to see that the kids out here learning positive stuff and the parents are enjoying it too. That's what it's all about, baby. Give yourself a hand. Give yourself a hand. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. Yo.